What is your name and grade?
I'm Skylar Riggs, and I'm a 6th grader.
What are you doing in this project?
I am making the medical supplies.
And you're in CSI, right?
Yeah, I'm in CSI.
What is the purpose?
Oh my gosh.
Well, it's to show people what they use for like surgery and like illness.
Okay. How does this project incorporate with the learning in our school?
It's a project which ties into project-based learning, and most schools don't do that. They just write on paper.
Oh yeah, it's like a. I was like.
How does your artifact help with? How did your artifact help Lewis and Clark?
Well, it made sure all their team members and stuff wouldn't die, because it's like the medical equipment.
When I went downstairs,
What did the original artifact look like? If you could explain it.
Well, it kind of looked like a toolbox filled with all kinds of different medical instruments, like saws and like jars and pills.
Unlike yours.
Hello. What is your name?
Alyssa.
What are you doing?
I'm with the CSI team, and we broke down into groups, and I'm in the plant group.
Okay. What is your purpose in this big project?
Well, Scott and I are going underneath we're going to see what each flower is, and there's over 200, so we're not going to have time to do all of them, but we're going to find the main ones, and we're going to list where they were found, what Lewis and Clark wrote about them, and at the very end we're going to compile a journal like they had in a cache, and we're going to compile a journal of all the plants with the pictures.
How does this project incorporate with learning in our school?
I think it is a very good project. I think it reminds me of the Apollo 13, how we get to do our interests. Like, you don't just get an assignment, you get to pick what you're interested in, and you actually get to build something, and it's hands-on, so you learn more.
How did your artifact help with Lewis and Clark, if you have started one?
I haven't started one yet.
But you told us the plan of one. How
Yeah.
did it help?
I think it would add to the science part, because
They actually do have chart things.
we wanted to make it as realistic as possible, and we want the and all the plants, some of the plants that he had collected in the cache caved in.
There we go.
So he did not have those, but he still documented them. So I think it's going to contribute in a way that it's going to be as realistic as possible.
What's your name?
Emma Persinger.
And Jorah Wilson.
What are you doing?
We are researching the different animals that they discovered and what they killed and ate.
And we're also getting websites, and we have our own Google Doc, and we put all our information in there, like links and what we found out. So we kind of. What is its purpose to find all this?
We need to know how they kept track of all the animals that they discovered and how they preserved some of the skins to take back.
And we also have to find out what animal, how they figured out what animal they were actually looking at, because they couldn't just go there and see something they didn't even know what the heck it was and just know what the name was. So we're getting that out too.
How does this project incorporate with the learning in our school?
Well, it helps more with research, which we have to do a lot, and it helps us learn about the science of everything and like how what different chemicals they'd have to use to preserve their things and the findings and how they, and the sketches to document it.
And also, it fits really well with our school because it's another hand-on project, just like the Apollo and the Viking ship, and yeah.
Okay, thank you for your time.